Hey, welcome to this quick tutorial video on how to use the Case Manager SpeedTest utility to benchmark your Firebird database server. So firstly, what are we going to cover? So we're going to look at the tool itself, where you can get it, how you can run it, and what it does. And then I'm going to talk you through the data and how you can use data benchmarking to test server configurations and to see how well your server is comparing against what we feel is a good performance standard. So let's get started. Firstly, where do you get the tool? So on our website, you'll go to resources. Once you're in the resources section, you'll go to the downloads, or you can just go directly to tool downloads over there. And you will see the tool listed over here. You download this, it's just a simple zip file. Once you're on that zip file, you can copy it into the Case Manager tools section of your Case Manager main folder, unzip it, and this is what it'll give you. There are two main files here. This is a procedure that will be executed. Leave all of this the same, except if you want to benchmark a different disk. If you want to do a D drive or an E drive or whatever, then you will have to change that. Otherwise, you're just going to leave it as is. I'm going to execute this tool and just quickly show you what it does. It's busy. It just created a test database for us here. As you can see, it's busy inserting or creating a bunch of records. This will be the create test, and it's going to give us a millisecond value. This value over here is how long it took to create 100,000 of those records. It took 10 seconds or 10,236 milliseconds. Now this was the update, 11 seconds. Now it's going to do the delete, should be about 3 or so seconds when we do the delete, 3.2 seconds. What does this data mean? It's pretty obvious. It's the amount of time it takes to do these operations. By the way, once this is completed running, the tool deletes that database again. So you can repeat this test as many times as you want. Let me just go into this. This is an example of a test that I did. So I created certain configurations. I ran the test, and these are the different insert, update, and delete millisecond results. I also just used a simple formula to convert this into records per second. That's the formula right over there, and it gave me the records per second value. What do you want to achieve? You want to get to a value that's around about here or faster. Could be a little bit slower. So insert milliseconds should be 8 seconds, maybe 10 seconds or so. Not much slower than that. Update milliseconds should be 10 seconds, maybe 12 seconds. I'm thinking 20% slower than this result here would be good. And then delete should be around about 2-3 seconds or maybe 4 or so. If you can achieve that, you should be in good shape to run a high volume of users. Obviously, there are many ways to get way better speeds. We've achieved speeds much faster than this, and in some environments, if you're going to the hundreds of users, it will be necessary. So let's just quickly recap. We covered our Case Manager SpeedTest tool, how you can download it, how to use it, and what the data means. I hope this helped. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye.